How you going, mate?
Good, mate. How can I help you?
Oh, just after a flat white today, please.
No worries. Coming up. Flat white for Pete.
Yeah, cheers, mate. What's that? It's not hot enough, mate. Mate, didn't I just tell you it's not hot enough? Terrible, mate. Not hot enough. Did you remake that?
Cup of scalding hot lava for Pete.
That's perfect, mate.
Hey guys, Pete from Pablo and Rusty's here. And today, I'm talking to those that like their coffee hot. Now, you may find at your local cafe that they don't make it as hot as you would like. So today, we're gonna look at the science of the milk and why it is not brought past the 65-degree mark, and then how you can also enjoy your coffee hotter at home. So with that having said, let's get right into it. So being a barista by trade, I've been asked on numerous occasions for a super hot coffee, and sometimes scalding hot. We have found over time that coffee mixed with milk is best served at around 60 to 65 degrees. Lactose, the natural sugar that's found inside of dairy milk, solidifies and caramelizes at around 62 degrees. And just like caramel, once you go past that point, it tends to burn very quickly. So in short, your barista just wants to serve you the premium product that you've paid for and doesn't want to give you burnt milk. And don't get it twisted, you're not wrong for asking for a hot coffee. All I want out of this video is for you to have the understanding from the other side of the bench. So now how do you make your coffee hotter at home? Well, the first thing that we've found is that people tend to get a cold cup and pour their hot milk in it and expect it to be hot. The best ways that we've found to heat your cup for your coffee machine at home is to either A, leave it on top of the machine if you know that it's going to be on for a while before you make your coffee, or for the quickest and easiest way, just take your cup, add a little bit of hot water, swirl it around for 20-30 seconds, and it's going to bring that cup up to temperature so you don't lose any heat when you're pouring in your espresso and your milk. Now, the one thing that we don't want you to do is start playing with your espresso temperature. That's going to have some real impact on the flavor that you're going to be having each day. The recommended is between 92 and 94 degrees. Anything more than that, and you've got a bigger problem than your milk. So let me do this the right way. We're going to go for texture first and then temperature second, but not before purging. As a general rule of thumb, when I was learning coffee, 1 second of air was for a flat white, 2 was for a latte, and just on 3 was for a cap. Now that I've introduced all the air that I think I need, I'm just going to kick back and just listen to the milk and watch it swell. I'm starting to feel a bit of a pinch on my finger, and that's going to indicate that we're getting close to that 65-degree mark. At which point, I'm not introducing any further air, and I'm now just going to switch off. Quick one stop, bit of a swirl, and there you have it, folks. Let's see if I still got it. 65.3. Not too bad for an old boy. So a quick indicator that you're taking your milk past that 65-degree mark is you're going to start to hear a difference in the pitch when the milk is spinning. It'll start to go a little bit higher, it'll start to get a bit more screechy. And at that point, I can guarantee you're starting to break the milk down, be it texture and or flavor. Well, P&R fam, that's me for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And having said that, if you've got a friend that you think could benefit from this video, be sure to share. And while you're sharing, next button over, subscribe.